In this video, I'm going to show you how we can download the SQL Server Management Studio, or we can simply say ssms. First of all, go to your browser and then just type the ssms download. After typing this, you can see the first link, that is learn.microsoft.com. Just click on the first link, and after clicking here, you can just scroll down and you will see free download for SQL Server Management Studio 18.12.1. This is the latest version, and SSMS 19 is coming soon, and now this is the preview version. Just click here SSMS 18.12.1. After clicking here, download will start from here, and it is a 677 MB file, so it will take some time. After completion of the download, I will join with you, so it will take time according to your internet speed. Our downloaded process is completed. Just double click here, or you can see from the folder, and this is our installation file. So just double click here. You can change your default location, otherwise you can leave the default, and just click on the install option. And to check whether the ssms is installed in our system or not, just search the ssms, and you can see the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Just click here and you can open it and you can use it, and we'll continue our rest of the video in next lecture. Thank you.